The various components of a chart are referred to as chart elements. As we select a chart, the outer area near the borders is referred to as a chart area, and the inner area is called a plot area. We have these three elements to the right side of the chart: the paintbrush and the plus sign and the funnel. The paintbrush will help us to select style as we did in the last lecture. Let's select a lighter style at this time. Select the first one. It looks great. Now click to reveal it. The plus sign reveals the heading chart elements. The first element is the axis, the primary horizontal and vertical axis. Yeah, we can switch on and off. The second one is the axis titles. We can show the horizontal axis if you wish to do. We can change the chart titles as well. The data levels. We can also position the point above, below, and we can switch on and off. These are the data table and the legend, trend line, everything. You can format the individual chart elements. Double click the elements that you wish to format, and here there are a bunch of options to consider changing. You can change the color and the chart elements and other criteria. So it's good. Here we have the axis. We can deal with the axis elements. And also other features. So we can format and deal chart elements in a number of ways.